and welcome to my channel. I hope that you're having a fabulous day. I have a project share for the Falloween Spooktacular 2024 series, and I am co-hosting with my crafty BFF, Robyn Pitts. I will link her channel in the description box as well as the giveaway rules. And if you missed this past Wednesday's video, make sure to go back and leave a comment, answer the question. I will announce the winner this coming Wednesday as well as have another question. And what I have created today is a fall project using the G45 Autumn Greetings. And as you can see, the papers here, it's an absolutely stunning collection. But it is so beautiful, and I love all of the little babies in this that they have. I love animals, so they're so cute. And what I used is the Tunnel album from G45. You get 2 albums in this. It has the Tunnel album and then the Pyramid album are both in the pack here, and these are both from ASC Craft Supplies. I am a design team member, so I have a coupon code which is Michelle10 for 10% off any regular price purchases, and they do offer free shipping on everything, which I absolutely love. Make sure to visit them as well, and I'll leave links to the online stores in the description box below. So we'll dive in, and here you can see a little fur baby that I was talking about in this collection, as well as the little squirrel and then the little bird up here. So cute. I love it. The gorgeous papers, and I love this album. I saw some of the G45 design team members sharing these. I had not seen them before, and they were using the Tunnel album that I'm using here, and they were also showing some of the Pyramid albums, and I thought they were so fun and so different. I wanted to give them a try, and Crystal had them in the shop, so I made sure to pick some up. And I just love the fall colors, and then, you know, gather and be grateful. And I love fall most of all. I think fall is so beautiful. I love the cooler temps. And we have the beautiful leaf paper here on the front, and then on the side I have this really pretty border strip with the beautiful flowers and leaves, and then that really pretty green. I love that plaid. And I've just attached all of the elements here to the frame, and I did ink the edges and use some jute twine, and I'm using the ephemera pack as well as the chipboard frames and tags. So you just open it like so, and here you can see my spine, and I did make some tags and just tuck in and around, and here you can get to see more of the beautiful paper. But I just thought this was a really cool element, and I thought I could put pictures on the tags or just even attach pictures to the corners here, just various places to add some 2x2 or 3x3 or even 4x4 photos, I thought. So I just thought this was really fun. I need to get some pictures of the grandkids with the fall weather and the leaves changing, but just so pretty. Like I said, I just love the animals in this. And once again, I've got the back of the tag. You can even tuck a picture there. And autumn leaves and pumpkins, please. And I love the pumpkin page here with the white pumpkins, just so pretty. And another ephemera piece there. And I cut apart, and it just says, every leaf speaks bliss to me, fluttering from the autumn tree. And that's Emily Bronte, if I'm saying that correctly. And here I added some more photo spots. We have our little bird, and this might be some paper from the Patterns and Solids, and I did use the 8x8 decorative paper pack. And the leaves and the pumpkins, just so pretty. I was at a crop when I created this, and these were some ribbon that we had got on prize. So I stole everybody's ribbon that was at my section so I could use it in my album since it matched perfectly. And then I love the little cut apart here, gather and be grateful. And here you can see the chipboard frame, and I just based it all on that deer and framing it, and then the little squirrel. So pretty. There's those pumpkins again, and then the frame, and another ephemera piece, and then I made a little layout on this page, and then this is another chipboard tag here, and another little jute twine bow, and then I put some of the cut aparts here. But I just thought this was a fun project and a great way to display some photos. I would love to hear your comments and tell me if you are a fan of the Tunnel album and if you have seen them before. Like I said, I had not saw them until I saw them on the G45 channel, and I absolutely fell in love with it. So everybody has a spooktacular day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.